Welcome to our presentation on the ProVent single stack system. This video will show contractors best practices when installing the ProVent stack system in an apartment, condo, or hotels of at least 3 stories, and where the plumbing fixtures require both vents and revents. Most plumbing professionals find it hard to believe that a system without any vents and revents can work. This video will demonstrate how our system installations work while complying fully with the international and uniform plumbing codes. The first graphic shows how the stack fitting controls the water flow velocity in the drain stack. The stack inlet at the top of the fitting flows into the velocity offset, which passes by the separation shield and back into another offset before passing into the collection chamber. There is a branch baffle with a vent built into the top branch opening. The branch opening is separated from the collection chamber. The base vent fitting has a nose baffle to assure a smooth flow from the stack into the horizontal piping. The PRL relief vent ties back into the top of the main drain. The blue shows the water flow through the stack fitting. The flows from the higher floors are controlled to maintain the proper water and air mix. Here you see the water clinging to the inside of the pipe, leaving plenty of space for controlled air. The chart shows the maximum loading by stack size that allows these controlled flows. This graphic shows how uncontrolled flow velocities can produce a water plug in conventional type systems. Conventional systems that produce water plugs will require vents to prevent blowouts or the siphonage of fixture traps. Chart 3 shows the ProVent safe maximum fixture unit load using the stack fitting. Compare this with the IPC chart that shows the maximum fixture unit number for a combination drain and vent pipe allowed in the International Plumbing Code without using any vents or revents. Notice the big jump in fixture unit ratings on the IPC chart when the pipe size is increased from 4 inches to 5 inches to 6 inches when the branches are not vented. The base fitting is used to provide a safe collection of plumbing fixtures when the vertical stack goes from vertical to horizontal into the underground or collection area. The base fitting controls water flows and has a pressure relief line that goes from the top of the fitting and ties into the horizontal drain at 10 times the diameter of the pipe size downstream from the stack base. Both the PRL line and the branch fixtures must tie in above the center line of the drain line. The detail shows you that the discharge of the branch drain and the PRL will dump into the open air space on top of the drain water flow line. This will provide a smooth flow. The IPC connection shows you cannot connect any fixtures inside the 10 times pipe diameter rule without using a controlled flow fitting and the pressure relief line. The branch piping from the stack fitting is sized so the branch piping will not fit more than 25% to 50% of its capacity. The branch piping fixture unit loads are listed on Chart 2 in the design manual. The IPC code for circuit venting shows the same principal rule of waste on the bottom and air on the top, as shown here with several branches connected to a single branch without using any additional vents. The lavatory and sink connections are designed into the single stack configuration by increasing the size of the vertical drop pipe to 2 inches for all 1 1/2 inch or 1 1/4 inch P-traps. This is the same concept of the combination drain and vent chart described earlier. Section 912.2 of the IPC code has allowed the same design for an island-type sink. This amount of water flow won't fill the 2-inch drop pipe and cause a problem water plug. The type of layout here shows the normal conventional IPC piping at the right-hand bottom. This DWV system has 4 vents for the lavs and sinks connecting back to the main vent. When figuring the extra piping, fire stop sleeves, and fittings and hangers, we found $678 extra costs for this one back-to-back bathroom. The ProVent comparison is shown on the left. With skilled labor and short supply, it is apparent the ProVent solution is a much quicker installation with less labor and material costs. The ProVent single stack system is accepted by both the International Plumbing Code and the Uniform Plumbing Code. ProVent jobs have been successfully installed around the United States and the world since 2009. The evidence is clear. If the plumbing job layout is a good fit for the ProVent single stack system, it absolutely should be considered. The entire DWV system will normally cost less and take less time to complete. Plumbing installations in condos, apartments, and hotels require many fixtures. Getting the job done on time and on budget is critical. That's why you need to contact ProVent for complete evaluation and design services for any appropriate DWV job. Whether you are an engineer, contractor, or owner, the ProVent single stack system is a game changer that will save you money and time and become your system of choice.